how to add a contact direct dial shortcut to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on contacts app. Now here, so if you want to add contact to home screen, so you will see your contact list is here, so you will select contact from here. So after select contact, so click on this more three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, so if you want to add home screen, so click on add contact to home screen. So after click on add home screen, and you will see direct message, direct dial. So click on direct dial. So after click on direct dial and click on add, go back to home screen, you will see your direct contact is add on your home screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add a contact direct dial shortcut to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.